मेरा नाम तिरुपति नाइक, डायरेक्टर, कोच and leader since last 20 years in the field of training and education for various students, then professional people, job holders, businessmen, director, manager. I have been since training to these kind of people, and here with me Mr. Jadhav, who has completed Autocad and CNC lathe programming and operating and turning center. Since the last around the 6 months, he was so dedicated for this course, and he attended most of the training and the practical course. And so, how you felt about this training program, Jay?
It felt very nice. I like to come over here. You have very supported me for these courses. It has been an excellent course.
Okay, great. And also, he's a student of Mutual Engineering College in Thane. And so say something about like how your college life and
college life is also good. It is easy.
Yeah. So are you which year now?
I am in second year.
You are in second year diploma in mechanical
engineering.
Oh, great. So thank you, all the best for your future career. After completing your engineering, so you can meet us for getting your future for like a job, or you want to start something startup. And
okay, sir.
Kindly meet us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
हेलो, मेरा नाम जय जादव है। मैं पैरामेट्रिक सोल्यूशन में हूँ। मैंने अभी ऑटोकैड किया है और CNC प्रोग्रामिंग किया है, ऑपरेटिंग। मेरे को नायक सर ने और विद्याधर सर ने बहुत अच्छे से गाइड किया और अच्छे से सब सिखाया है, और जी कोड वगैरह सब एकदम इजीली सब समझाया गया है। विद्याधर सर ने सब अच्छे से समझाया है। अच्छा है क्लास। प्रैक्टिकल के लिए विजय कोटे सर के पास गए थे हम लोग। उधर ऑपरेटिंग कैसे करते हैं, CNC लेथ मशीन, वो सब सिखाया गया हमको। क्या है, कैसा यूज होता है, कौन सा जी कोड वगैरह लगता है एक ऑब्जेक्ट बनाने के लिए, वो सब सिखाया गया है हमें इधर से। थैंक यू।